Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Nurse Alyssa, and today we're going to be talking about Tegaderm Hydrocolloid. But first, if you could hit that subscribe button, it would be greatly appreciated as it truly does help my channel. So let's get started. So Tegaderm hydrocolloid is a hydrocolloid adhesive with an outer clear, impermeable adhesive cover film. Okay, so this does differ from the Tegaderm hydrocolloid thin, which I have a different video. If you look down in the description, I will link it below. So indications for use. So we're going to be using this on wounds that are shallow and have low amounts of exudate. So this dressing, it does not absorb. So we don't want to be using it with moderate to high amounts of exudate. It's just not something that will work. So we don't want to be using it on clinically infected wounds and only on wounds with small amounts of exudate. So to apply this dressing, first, like all wounds, we want to cleanse and irrigate the wound with normal saline first and dry the peri-wound tissue. Now, if you need a skin sealant around the peri-wound, feel free to do so. And then you want to choose a dressing that extends past the peri-wound at least 2.5 centimeters, okay? So we want that the dressing to go over top and extend past the actual wound edges by 2.5 centimeters on all sides. If not, you need to pick a bigger size. So then applying this bandage on the back side, the actual adhesive side that goes against the skin, you will notice two separate tabs. There is a bigger tab and a smaller tab. You peel off the larger tab first. You stick it onto the wound. While you're holding it there, peel off the smaller section, and then you're just going to smooth it outwards. And just hold down. So sometimes I do find if you hold this down for about 10-15 seconds, it does adhere to the skin a little bit better just because of the heat of the hand. So to remove this dressing, you're just going to simply lift up on the edge of the film and then pull it away from the wound, not upwards, but away from it. Frequency of dressing change, so it can stay in place for 5 to 7 days. It depends on the amount of exudate though, okay? So when it comes within a centimeter of the edge of the dressing, it's time to change that dressing. And the expected outcome is that the exudate is managed with no peri-wound skin maceration. If you're noting skin maceration, you need to use something that's more absorbent. So that's all I have for this video. I hope you did find it helpful for your daily practice. And if you haven't done so already, if you could please smash that subscribe button, it would be truly appreciated. And I'll catch you in my next video, guys. See ya.